Hi, my name is Doug Hellerud. I am the Director of Operational Services with 14 Foods. Really, anything I can do to help our stores run better, more efficient, falls under my category. We have 234 stores across 13 states. So if you draw a line down from Minnesota to Florida, we're pretty much based on that line. The name of the company, 14 Foods, is really based on Matthew chapter 14. And if you think about it, that's about the feeding of the 5,000. Dairy Queen is fun, and Dairy Queen has always been about a smile and a story no matter where you go. We're at 230 plus stores now and thinking, how do we get to 300 or 400 stores? Really, we have to be able to access and view our stores on a remote basis. And that's where March Networks came in.
March Networks Searchlight connects your POS data with your cameras, which then allows us to pinpoint each specific transaction based off of a search query that we put together and then see what's actually happening in the stores at the time of that purchase.
Before, if you think about it, if we had an IT technician and we had an issue at a store 2 hours away, we had to drive 2 hours away, download the video from that security system, drive back, and then we're uploading it and send it to somebody else. Now, if there's an issue, we can go back and say, hey, we had an issue yesterday, 2:30 in the afternoon at this specific store. We pull up the video and you're able to send that right off to wherever we need it to go.
And it turns it from hours of an investigation down to minutes.
Some of the cameras that we're using in our stores, the SC2, the SC4, the SC4 bullets, and then we also use the OnCam 360. Every cake sale that we have, we could sell candles with those cakes, right? So if we want to do a promotion and we want to make sure that we're pushing candles, well, then you can kind of go back and you follow up the cake sales and you find out, did the employee say anything about a candle? Did they offer a candle? It helps us get a deeper insight into our customers, what's happening on a daily basis in our store. Or if we want to see our store is able to execute on DoorDash, what Searchlight will allow us to do is go back in and we can pull out transactions that were designated for delivery. So then you can go back and you can follow that transaction and say, all right, did we hand the product correctly? Did we package it correctly for our DoorDash dasher along the way?
I would describe the March Network system as the only way to go if you're trying to implement loss prevention with today's technology and truly make a difference and impact in your stores. From the service I get with the technicians for implementation and the engineers and sales staff to help me get where I need to go, all the way to the actual systems themselves performing top-notch.
I have nothing but positive things to say about March Networks. We're 83 stores in. We're partnering with National Loss Prevention. They're doing a majority of the installs. We're seeing the benefits today, but I'm very excited a year from now where we're going to be. It's going to help our sales. It's going to help keep our employees safe, supported, and seen. So I'm just excited about the future that lays in front of us.